Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are good wherever you are watching this tutorial from. So today we are making this gorgeous, beautiful shift dress. It has a V-neck line and it's going to also have a drawstring at the middle of the dress. Very beautiful, and we are using doll face material to complete the length of our dress. Very beautiful one, and we are using this beautiful Ankara fabric to make this style. So I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to learn how to make it on your own. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. What are you waiting for? Just do that now, please. Just click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Ask your friends to also subscribe, and you can give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about this tutorial, and you can also check our other tutorials that we have on my channel so that you can also learn how to make the other styles that we have already. Like I said, if you're interested to know how to cut and sew this beautiful style, you can see me rocking it. Very beautiful on my body. So I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end. So guys, let's get started now with our tutorial.
So let's get started with our dress that we want to make. This is our doll face material that we are using to complete our length of our dress, and this is the Ankara fabric that we are using to make it. So you can see how beautiful it is. So if you have yours, just bring it out so that we can start it together. So we'll start with our length now. So I've folded it now, so let's start with our length. And the material that we are using, this Ankara fabric, is 2 yards material that we are using, please. So we'll start with our length is cut together. That what I mean is 4 pieces that we have on this place. So we are cutting it from the front and the back all together, and that is my length. My length is 38 that I have there, and that is my shoulder that I'm marking. My shoulder is 8, so I want to give it a straight line to have my armhole curve. So that is my line there. So that is my neck that I'm having. My neck is 3.5 and it's a V-neck. So I'm just showing you the width of my body that I want to use is 12.5 that I'm using to fold it out. So the depth of my neck, like the neck, is 7 that I'm having, like the V-neck, like the front side that I'm marking there now to get my V. So this is how you make it when making your own. So can you see what I'm doing there? So that is how you make your own. So to get my slope is what I want to also mark. That is my neck. So my neck that I'm having there that I'm also marking is that 1.5. That is for the back. My slope is 1 inch. So this is how you connect it to get to your shoulder. So that I've done that. So after that, now just get a straight line from that to your armhole side, because that is where we'll get our measurement for our bust. And what I'm marking there for our bust, my actual bust is 38, but what I'm marking there is 40, and then my sewing allowance is 1.5. So that's my rolling curve line that I'm having there now. So after that, now just for you to measure to get your half length. So my half length that I'm having there is 16. So that's my 16, and that's where you get your waistline. And my actual waistline that I'm having there is 28. That's my actual length waistline. But what I'm having there, since it's a shift dress, so I'm marking 40 there, and what I mark on my bust is 40 also. So you just to get that your shift dress to be shaped a little. So that's what I've done there now. So you take it down there, and what I'm having at my down side of it now, that the button is also 11. So I make it 11 at the down side. So that is how you get your shift dress. And I want to cut the neck now. So that is how you also go about when cutting your neck. So coming to the downside is what I'm also cutting. And remember, we'll use our doll face to complete our shift dress, and it is a drawstring that we also have under the bust side of it now. That is below the bust. That is where we also have that our drawstring. And you also see me when I want to fix it, because I will show you everything that we are cutting here, and I want you guys to do it on your own. So let me take out the back side of it to place the front, so that we now cut the front neck. What I cut there is the back neck that I cut, so you can see me now. So I'm cutting the front neck now, so let me place it where to get our V-neck. This I also make when making your own. So what I mark on my V-neck, that the slope is 7. Remember, it's 7 that I marked here. So I will also open it for you now to see how the V-neck is like. So can you see how it is now? So we'll go and stitch it like to fix the neck. So this is the one that we want to use and complete our dress. So what I'm marking there now is 3.5 to complete it. So what I have there now is 2 yards of it to complete it. So now is the sleeve that I want to make now, and we'll also use the black to complete it. So that is the black that I've cut out, and it's 2 inch that we cut out there now. So that's my 2 inch to make the sleeve complete. So also complete it and fix it together. So let me start with the measurement. So the length that I have there is 5.5 that I have there, that is the length. And to bring out the armhole slope is 1 inch that I just marked, and I'm cutting everything together, that is in 2 pieces. So that's what I've folded there now. So my round sleeve there is 6.5, that's my round sleeve. So just connect it together and cut it out, and go and fix it using the black to complete it. Remember, that's why I showed you what we use to complete our sleeve, because I want the sleeve to also come out a little, like the length. So this is how you also make it when making your own. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel please, and watch my video to the end, and share it to your friends so that they too can also learn from it. Thank you. So this is how you go about it, so when making it. So now we have done with the front and the back. So I want to show you how to fix this our drawstring rope that we want to add on it. So what I'm marking there now is my 14. I'm not marking that 16 at my half length, because it's coming up a little. So this is how you also mark it, so that you will not use it where I'm marking there now. That is where you will fix that your drawstring that we want to fix. So I've done that, and this is what we use to go and stitch it together. I've ironed this one that you see me doing. So now I want to also show you how to get the middle. So this is the folding side for me to get the middle, and when getting the middle you have to notch it, because that is where you will now pass it round. You will go and fix the shoulder together and pass it round. So I want to notch it now. Just look at everything that I'm doing there and do it the way you are seeing me doing. So that is the middle part, using my chalk to mark it and using my scissors to notch it. So just look at what I'm done there now. So this is how you also notch it. So now I want to notch it like the middle part, because we will now use it to pass it around our rope, to pass it around. So can you see what the rope now? So I've fixed it, so I want to just start passing it now. Can you see what I've done there now? So when doing it, just join everything together, that the front and the back, and before fixing this your rope, and you will get this style that we are making. Is a drawstring dress that we are making. So I fixed it. Can you see how it is, how it came out? So just do everything, and please always subscribe to my channel and watch my channel to the end, and subscribe and share it to your friends guys.
So guys, you can see how our sheep dress with drawstring came out. Very beautiful. You can see how gorgeous it is. We made use of Ankara fabric and doll face to complete the length, and also place the doll face material on the sleeve to complete the sleeve. Very beautiful. Guys, if you don't understand what we did here, please, you can watch this tutorial again and again, so that you can learn how to make it on your own. That's the essence of making this tutorial, for you to be able to cut these ties that we are making on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also watch this tutorial to the end, please, to support this channel to grow. You can like, comment, tell us what you think about our tutorials. Your suggestion is needed also. Please, we need that from you guys after watching our tutorials. So I'll see you guys next time. on this channel. Please keep on watching my tutorials to the end and stay good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.